doing some filthy harmonic WUBS. Let me show you how to do it. We're going to build up some dubstep from scratch, and we're going to use some Foley in the drums, so free samples. Link below if you want these. See, that's too fast, so I'm just going to press this button here. And Command and 3 to get the triplet mode. It's just for the stereo sort of stuff. Cool, and then try on these. The kick. All these samples are in the pack. Absolutely free. And I've got it on triplet mode. You got your track delays here. You can relax the track, get them all slightly offbeat, and we'll use the wider, different widths on the rims. Want the mono for the kick. Cool, we use the clipper for the kick. Harden it up a bit. Free clipper, that one. Cool, and then if I group it all, Command and G, I'm going to use the M bit just to lo-fi it a bit. And try this compressor, Hoffer. And a lot of attack. And then put the clipper on. And after that, I'll roll it back a bit because it's a bit too hot. Try and match that up, and then roll it down a little bit. Using Vital now, so I'll just grab a few Vitals. My favourite note, E flat, bit of release. And gain staging is just getting that level there. Make sure it's not too hot as it changes. We want one voice. Create this. Go on Matrix, LFO1, Global, Voice Transpose, and go down a little bit. Now the attack, you can slow it there. But it's better with sine wave and then bit of distort. Get the mix to 50%. And then we're going to add some extra randoms down. I'm going to add this noise. Might try another sine wave, but try the phaser here. Okay, so that's the Vital number 1. Cool, so we're going to match the next one to this kick drum here, and we're going to go for basic shapes. Random down, bit of release, turn it up there. Get this one, same again, basic shape. Go too long to this formant scale, and we'll add this here. Cool, and then the filter 1 and 2, get that to there. One step further with the filter here. Cool, and let's try the formant. Try to save that as well. Let's go down a note instead. Cool, and then we're going to stretch out a long note here. And let's go for sine wave again. And pitch bend. Cool, and then we just want this little simple square.